Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So this hair was sent to me by Klaiyi hair company. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So this is the hair when it was sent to me. So they do have nice thick bundles, and this is their loose wave. And so this is the finished unit when I'd finished constructing it. So the waves sort of disappeared immediately when I was doing the unit. I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder just to personalize my lace, just personalize my closure. And I'm just gonna brush the hair. You can see right here that some of the loose wave was already lost, like totally gone. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna go ahead and position my closure on my wig. And since this is a closure, I don't really prefer closures on this kind of hair textures. I do love closures when I'm dealing with curly hair or something like that. So anyhow, I had to position it so that I have like a side parting, because I prefer side parting. I'm gonna go ahead and use my cream of nature wrapping mousse just to get rid of some flyaways, and I'm using my powder as well just to define my parting. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my curling wand and just making sure that this parting is nicely laid flat, or is looking well defined. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is, since the, like I said, the loose wave sort of disappeared, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the curling wand just to bring the waves back. Okay. So this is exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm just doing it randomly, like seriously guys, I didn't do all the head because I was just like, what's the point? Okay, so I just did a few where it was necessary. Like you can see at the front is looking super straight. Okay, so this is exactly what I did, and I just continue to do this. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm grabbing my Got to Be Glued gel, the black one, and the hairspray as well. I'm just gonna use a blow dryer just to make the glue tacky, because you want to make the glue tacky so that it is easier for you to install your unit. Otherwise your unit will be moving all over the place. Okay, so this is exactly what I did, and I just laid down my frontal. It is super easy because the glue was tacky, so it just goes and sits in place. I'm using the Got2b glued again just to define or just to lay the baby hairs. Doing this will cover your lace. Not a lot of people will be able to see your lace. Okay, you can actually go ahead and use a mousse to do your edges, but I prefer using the Got2b glued. You can even use Eco Styler gel or any gel of your choice. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my hair scarf and tie my edges down, and I will use a blow dry as well just to speed up the process. Okay, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my skin as well as my lace. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this brush and start defining my hair. This is absolutely effortless. You can actually go ahead and use a paddle brush if you prefer, and I'm gonna go ahead and define my closure because I love the top of my closure to look a bit like to be up a bit, not flat. I don't really like it when the hair is looking flat because it doesn't suit me. So this is exactly what I'm doing, and I'm using my hairspray from L'Oreal just to make sure that it remains, you know, up. Okay, when you buy this kind of hair, you guys, you might definitely need to touch the curls or the waves, because if you don't do that, the hair will be looking like a hella mess. Okay, I absolutely love this unit. This hair is amazing, good quality hair, and it is looking absolutely amazing. I did not experience a lot of shedding with this unit. This hair doesn't tangle. I love the quality of this unit, you guys, and I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.